how comprehensive is EPAT program? Would I get profitable strategies from EPAT? Very good question. So I think comprehensive, it's quite comprehensive. Yes, EPAT. So the interesting part about EPAT is that we start right from the basics for each of these three pillars of quantitative and algorithmic trading that we have discussed a few times during this session today. But it goes up pretty fast and does touch upon a decent number of advanced topics and the more in-depth topics about on the statistical way of trading, basically. And the interesting part is that most of the EPAT faculty, they're all practitioners, successful practitioners to add actually. So which means that you'll be learning, you learn things more from the practical orientation point of view. Theory at times is required and has to be covered and is covered, but there is a certain level of practical touch which we try to maintain given the practical orientation of each of the instructor. Would I get profitable strategies from EPAT? We definitely do not claim that, and we do not say that we will be giving you these 10-20 strategies and you trade with them and you'll make a lot of money. That's definitely not the idea of the program. So the thing is simple, that if there is a strategy which works for you, it might not work for me. I might have a different infra, I might have a different kind of setup, I might have a different risk tolerance, I might have a different system. There are too many variables which are out there. So it's not about the profitable strategies, but more about how to model those strategies, coming up with those strategy ideas and testing them out, optimizing them, implementing them, all the complete flow, and covers like the idea is that you at the end of the course you should be able to create your own like hundreds of different strategies. That's the idea, and then it's up to you which one is profitable, which one is not, and what you want to implement, what you don't. So it's more about knowledge and the power of knowledge rather than power of strategies as such, but the power to build the strategies.